Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here, if we just downloaded it, we are going to get a little presentation about the app that we can go through, so we understand how it works and what's the deal with it. And then at the bottom we find two options. We can either sign up or log in. If we don't have an account, we can just tap on sign up, and then we can either add our work email or just tap on sign up with Google and sign up this way. The app is going to redirect us. Then we can just select a Google account that we want to use. Then we just tap on continue. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.